Hey guys, what's up? I am here with my BeautyCon hauler bag haul. This is what the hauler bag from this past weekend BeautyCon LA looks like. It is huge, it is heavy, and I'm excited to share with you what I received inside it. Right now I'm just going to be doing the hauler bag haul, and then I'm going to be filming what I actually received from walking around on the floors probably tomorrow, and that will be like the rest of the haul plus like my experience at BeautyCon this year. And I will be having a giveaway for some of this stuff very soon, so please keep an eye out for that. I've got a lot of really good exciting content coming your way, so make sure that you are subscribed, ring that little bell so that you can get notified when I upload, and let's go ahead and jump on in to this haul. So as I mentioned, this is the hauler bag. It's this gigantic silver bag, and I had to go and drop this off in the car about halfway through the event on Saturday because it just got so heavy to carry around. But I'm gonna go ahead and share with you what is inside. So I did get another little bag inside of it, and I just put all the face masks that they gave us and a couple little sample things in here. So going ahead and starting with the masks, I have this one. This is a softened sock mask, and it's for your feet. I have a pink guava peel-off mask, a charcoal peel-off mask, a coconut and clay peel-off mask, a Dead Sea and clay peel-off mask. I've got some more of these, I'll show them to you also. I also have from OMG, I've got this two-step face mask, Yes to Tomatoes, a bubbling paper mask. I have another coconut and clay peel-off mask, another Dead Sea and clay peel-off mask, and another pink guava peel-off mask. A Mask Bar Pore Refining Cream Mask. Light Up Face Mask. Midnight Blue Calming Sheet Mask. This one I love, it's so cute. Keep Cool and Soothe Mask. I love the packaging. Charcoal Exfoliating and Cleansing Pad. Pearl Brightening Mask. This is a Power, Hydration, and Radiance Mask. Very Bright Hydrogel Mask. And Real Nature Hydrogel Mask. I've got just a few samples in here. Sorry, I'm just like kind of throwing everything on the ground, so those loud thunks is everything hitting the floor. These are from Nature Republic. This is a Cactus Soothing Gel. A Pure Butterleaf Foam Cleanser, Iceland Brightening Watery Cream, and Snail Solution Foam Cleanser. So those are like all the mask type products. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the rest of the stuff. Starting with this is from Ardell. It is a Wispies lookbook. So it has 3 sets of lashes and a small duo lash glue in here. So I have Demi Wispies, Wispies, and Wispies 600. So 3 different styles. I'm very excited about this. Next up, from Converse, they were there, they had a giant booth. This is like a little 20% off coupon code is what this is. I've got some Vital Proteins collagen peptides, as well as some multi-collagen protein. These little organic chickpea puffs. These are Hippies vegan white cheddar. These are super good. I love them. From Kind, I have a dark chocolate banana bar thing. I tried Abraham's and it's not my favorite. Next up, from Lime Crime, I have a liquid matte lipstick in Faded. This is what the packaging looks like. And this is what the shade is. The tube is frosted, so you're not going to be able to fully tell, and I'm not going to swatch things in this video because it's going to be super long as is. But if you're interested in seeing swatches of some of this stuff, go ahead and let me know down below. From So Fresh So Clean, I have a Groovy Green Tea Wash Off Mask. This thing is huge, it's really big. From RX Bar, I have a Mixed Berry Protein Bar. Hourglass gave us their new, and it just launched or is just about to launch, their Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. I also have from Revlon a super lustrous lip gloss in Fresh Apple. CoverGirl gave us a cream lipstick. Mine is in Seduce Scarlet. Nude Sticks gave us a gel color lip and cheek balm pencil in Siren, which is a red shade. Pixie gave us a matte luster lipstick, and mine is in Bitten Rose. I have from Hourglass the Girl Lip Stylo. It's like a lip crayon, and mine is in the shade Believer. And it's just a nude shade. Very pretty. Almay gave us one of their new eyeshadow quads. This is in Illusionist, and it's super pretty. I love the shades. It's very shimmery, but I cannot wait to use that. Anastasia gave us a liquid lipstick. This is in Crush. It's a very light pink nude shade. I don't know what the brand is. I think it's Ofa Beauty, but it's a double-sided brush. So there's one up here. This one's kind of for contouring, and this one's more of like a blush brush. Dermablend gave us a loose setting powder, and it's just translucent. This is from Revlon. It's their super lustrous lipstick in Fire and Ice. So it's just a red shade. I'm going to leave it wrapped up because I'm not going to use this color. I'm going to save it for a giveaway. This is from Camille Rose Naturals. It's the Aloe Whipped Butter Gel. And it has aloe vera and macadamia oil. And it's for curly hair. From Cantu, we have the Curl Stretcher Cream Rinse. Eco Style gave us the olive oil and shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed. It's like a hair gel. Bioderma gave us the pore refiner. Derma E gave us their Nourishing Rose Cleansing Oil. Eden Body Works, which is one of my favorite brands, they gave us their Moisture Shampoo Coconut Shea. I love this stuff. This is amazing. I have a sample of Curls to Go Untangle Me Weightless Leave-In. So there's that. I have from Young Nails Caption Art Screens. So it's got the stamping pad as well as the stamper and the card to scrape the polish. So what you do is you paint a little bit of polish on like the design on the stamper plate that you want to use. You use the stamper to pick that design up, stamp it on your nail. I'm really bad at this, but I'm gonna try it again. This is from Daily Concepts, and it's a Your Facial Mini Scrubber with smart technology. So it's just a travel size makeup remover is what this is. L'Oreal gave us some developer cream and a pastel clear mix-in permanent color to color your hair. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this because I'm not looking to bleach my hair, but I'm gonna read up on this a little bit more. Charlotte Russe, I have a lip crayon in here and a sticker. Jessica Simpson has some makeup brushes, so I've got this nice set. There's 4 brushes in there, and they have holographic handles, which is pretty cool. This little thing, it's got a tea packet inside and then a pen with like a stylus to use on your smartphone. This is a NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick, and it's in Embellishment. This is a little keychain. It says Room 69 Heartbreak Motel. From Shea Moisture, there's a leave-in treatment for detangling, protecting, and controlling frizz for all hair types. Be Sweet gave us a temporary hair color, and mine is in Lush Lilac, which I am loving because I've always wanted lilac lavender hair. I have from Skin Fix a foaming clay cleanser. Impress Press-On Manicure. They're cute. They got little anchors and stripes and spots and whatnot on them. I have from Kiss. I didn't know that they made hair products. Obviously they're most known for their lashes and whatnot, but they are stepping out of just doing lashes. But this is the Argan hairspray, and it protects hair from heat damage. So I don't believe that this is like a hairspray to keep your hair in place, like keep it firm, but it's to help protect for heat, if I am understanding this correctly. Zoella's brand was there, and we have a little packet from them. We've got moisturizing body wash, a body sorbet, and a little loofah. Super cute. From Aveda, I have cherry almond conditioner and shampoo, and it smells so good. Milani gave us a Make It Last setting spray. Pure Leaves gave us a coconut oil and coffee sugar body scrub. I have a protecting silk blowout quick drying thermal spray from OGX. From Impressions Vanity, I have a compact mirror. It doesn't light up or anything, just a compact, and it says Slay, or just Slay on the front. From Palmer's, I have Coconut Butter Formula Daily Skin Therapy. Definitely need this because I have the driest skin ever, and this feels so good. I love it. Mixed Chicks Conditioning Cleansing Co-Wash for your hair. Becca Backlight Priming Filter. Very excited about that. I have a nail polish. Well, I've got a couple nail polishes. One is from C&D Vinyl Luxe, and it is in the shade Grommet. And then I have one from Sally Hansen. It's their Insta Dry line, and it's their collaboration with Crayola, and it's in Wild Watermelon. From Urban Decay, I'm super excited about this. This is the All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray, and it is full size. This is one of my favorite products ever, and I'm out of it, and I'm very excited to have a new one. We have some feminine wipes. These are from Sweet Spot, and they are in the coconut lime scent. I have a Flash Metal Metallic Waterproof Lip product from JCat Beauty, and it is in the shade FM112. I guess that's just the shade. It's like a purpley, metallic purple. And then I have a Kajal pencil from Pop Beauty in the shade Inky Purple. From Mugler, I've got an Eau de la Toilette perfume sample, and it's the scent Angel Fruity Fair. Joa gave us a Be My Everything blush and bronze palette, and you can see like it's lighter on one side and it transitions to darker on the other side. Sally Hansen Hard as Nails. Flower Beauty gave us, I believe it's a lip gloss, and it's in the shade Soleil. It's so pretty, super metallic-y, gorgeous. I love it. I've never had a Flower Beauty product before. This is a sample from The Main Choice, and it's a deep strengthening and restorative mask treatment. From Pure, I have a Pillow Blend. It's basically just a silicone sponge pillow blend. I have a Macaron Lip Balm in Grape from It's Skin. I have a new Le Chocolat L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick, and mine is in the shade 842 Candyman. Really excited about that, and it smells so good. From Rimmel, I have a Very Black Wonderfully Real mascara, and let's just take a moment to look at this brush. This brush looks very similar to my favorite mascara, Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. So I am very curious about this and very excited to try this out. I just wish it was waterproof, but I can get past that. I have a pop band, so just a little pink hair tie. And I've got just a couple more things in here, but they're both like in their own packets. So this is the first one. This is from Essence, And inside this little pouch, there's tissue paper. Inside the tissue paper, there is a must-haves palette. So it's a magnetic palette. You open it up and it's got 4 slots inside. And then they also gave us an eyeshadow in Miss Foxy Roxy, a fixing powder in Fix It Baby, a blush in Strawberry Smoothie, and an eyeshadow in Snowflake. So then you can pop all of those into the palette that they provided. So that was really cool. I'm gonna put that off to the side. And then the last thing I have in here is in this fancy little bag with this pretty ribbon, and it is from Dermastore, and it says just for you. And inside there's just a little card talking about some stuff, and there's 3 products in here. So I have a daily cleanser, I have a refining retinol, and I have a night treatment. So that is everything that I received inside this ginormous bag. So I know that there were some differences in like shades and even some differences in products, because some of the stuff in my bag was different from what Abraham got in his bag, and I saw some videos from other influencers and the products that they got. Some of it was different than what I got. So yeah, that's just everything that I received in my influencer bag. Be sure to keep an eye out for the giveaway, like I mentioned, as well as my experience video where I'm going to be showing you all the other products that I hauled from walking around on the floor and talking with brands, as well as my vlog. So there should be 3 videos for sure, and then probably I'll do the giveaway video completely separate. Maybe that will be with the experience on the floor video. We'll see. Just keep your eyes open, make sure you're subscribed, make sure to ring that notification bell, leave me a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your mom, your dog, I don't care, share it. And I will talk to you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me.